Whiskey?
No. Thank you.
This has been on the wish list for years.
Why is it so cold?
Well, you know what the legend says. At night, Marquette Greens is always winter.
All the trees are dead. What is going on?
Hey, it's okay. You know, there's no one I'd rather be here with. Besides, you owe me, okay? We already did the surplus sale at the Paint Your Own Pottery and the Country Carol sing-along.
You said you liked the pottery. I made you a mermaid.
Shauna, it was lovely. Okay, there's never been such pottery. But tonight's my night, okay? And I want this for us. You know, and if we can't do it, then we'll just leave.
Okay. Fine.
Yes. Okay, so there is an unlocked mausoleum about half a mile up the road that way. Have a picnic. You know, set up our blankets under the stars. Did you bring candles?
A mausoleum? Lauren, that's fucked.
I promise we'll be appropriately reverent.
It's pretty cold for a fucking picnic.
There she is. Miss Marley Meadows.
I met her earlier.
She spoke to you? Interesting.
What do I ask her? How do I start, Mr. McCracken? Marley Meadows, can you sit down?
Of course I can sit down.
I was hoping we could get to know each other.
You have a broken heart. Smell this, dear.
It's beautiful. My mother is sick. She's very sick. Right. Well, who are you in life?
It's all right there. Marley Meadows died in Lexington, Kentucky in 1942. She was 28. She played the violin.
You were a musician.
I was. I was good, too. I got noticed. I was going places.
Did you love it?
My thoughts follow an inevitable trail from the music to the
House fire.
This was Kentucky, 1942. Atlanta, Newark, St. Louis, and Tulsa, Oklahoma. When we get too big, they try to tear us down. You see, souls are like liquid. They fill whatever container they're in, and my God, did I give my soul such a space. Cary Music Hall, 100 rows of seats, and every one of them filled. It was like nothing I'd ever done before. I felt like a giant.
They killed you for performing in a music hall?
Black folks have been killed for a lot less than playing the violin.
Who was the man on Chapel Hill?
Best leave him be.
Aren't I here to help everyone?
He doesn't want your help. It's getting late.
You should go.
You'll have to forgive me. I have a many-hued vial.